Greetings! Let's get into how we can download and set up FFmpeg. So the first step is you're going to want to go to the download page. There will be a link in the description below. Then, when on the download page, move your mouse over the Windows button, but don't click on it. Then you're going to see Windows exe files. Go to Windows Builds by thjen and click on it. Then you're going to want to scroll down and find the zip file in the latest auto build. Then click on it. Once you've downloaded it, locate it in the Windows File Explorer. Mine's in the Downloads folder. Then you want to right-click on the folder and then click on Extract All. Then click on Extract. Then I want you to open up the extracted folder and keep clicking on it until you can find the bin folder, the doc folder, and the lib folder. Now what I want you to do, I want you to drag and select everything here, then right-click and click on Copy. Now I want you to go to your C drive. Then I want you to right-click, go to New, then go to Folder. Call it FFmpeg, then press the Enter key. Then I want you to open up the folder, right-click, click on Paste, and now you've installed FFmpeg. Now we need to set up a system variable. Press the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the Start button down here, and type in the search bar, edit the system environment variables, and then click on this pop-up here. Make sure you click on the Advanced tab, that's here, then click on Environment Variables. So the next step is you're going to want to go back to your FFmpeg folder and open up the bin folder, then click on the address bar here, then right-click and click on Copy. Then I want you to go back to your Environment Variables, click on Path, click on Edit, then I want you to click on New, right-click, click on Paste, then click OK, then click OK, then click OK. Then open up the command prompt. So press the Windows key, then do Command Prompt, then type in FFmpeg, and if you see a bunch of stuff, that means it's working. Thanks for being a great audience. I'll see you next time.